multiplication by scalar. Multiplication by a scalar. So see here, let fx, here f x to r be a real valued function and alpha be a scalar. Alpha be a scalar quantity. Here by scalar we mean a real number. The product alpha f is a function from x to r defined by alpha x. Here alpha is a scalar quantity. So alpha is outside, so fx. Alpha fx. Okay. So here x belongs to capital X. So this is the formula. Alpha f x is equal to alpha fx, where x belongs to x. Multiplication of two real functions. The product or multiplication of two real functions f x to r, f x to r and g x to r is a function. So here combined of this one, this is the multiplication f into g, fg, because both are x to r x. So here x to r defined by fg x, f into g into x. So we can write here fx into gx, fx into gx for all x belongs to x. This is also called point-wise multiplication. Means you have to write here fx into gx. So this is the formula. You have to keep always mind this one. Fgx means fx into gx. Quotient of two real function. Quotient of two real function. Let f and g be two real function defined from x to r, where x is a subset of r. X is a subset of r. See here, quotient of two real function. Let f and g be two real function defined from x to r, where x is a subset of r. Then you have to define like this here. The quotient of f by g denoted by f by g. F by g is a function defined by f by g into x equal to fx, here gx, where gx is not equal to 0, provided gx not equal to 0. Otherwise, if gx is 0, function is not defined. This one you have to keep in mind. This formula you have to keep in mind. F of g x equal to fx by gx, provided gx is not equal to 0. Now I am going to solve some question. Here example number 16. Example 16. Example 16, see here. Example 16, NCERT book. Example 16. Let fx is equal to x square and gx is equal to 2x plus 1 be two real function, be two real function, two real function. Find, question is find f plus j x, then after f of minus gx, then f of gx, then f by j at x. You have to find out this all. So see here, solution. First one you have f plus gx. So we have fx is equal to x square, gx is equal to 2x plus 1. So first of all we have to find out this one. So f of gx. So we know that now we can addition of two functions. So fx plus gx, fx plus gx. What is fx? Fx is x square. And what is gx? Gx is 2x plus 1. This is your f plus gx. Now you have to find out f of minus gx. So you can write here fx minus gx. fx minus gx. What is fx? Fx is x square minus. What is gx? Gx is 2x plus 1. So this one becomes x square minus 2x minus 1. Now you have to find out f gx. So just now I discussed. So we can write fx into gx. fx into gx. What is fx? fx is x square. What is gx? gx is 2x plus 1. Now multiply x square multiply 2x. So 2x cube plus x square. You got f gx. Now find out f by gx. So see here, f by gx. So we can write this one fx over gx. So fx is your x square, fx is x square, and gx is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So this is the solution. Now here example number 17. Clear this one? See here f plus gx. So f plus gx, fx plus gx. So fx is x square and gx is 2x plus 1. f minus gx, fx minus gx. fx is x square, gx is 2x plus 1. Simplify f gx, fx into gx. fx is x square into gx is 2x plus 1. x square multiply 2x, 2x cube, here x square. f of gx, fx by gx, fx is x square, gx is 2x plus 1. Now example number 17. Let fx is equal to root x. fx is root x and gx is equal to x. B2 function. B2 functions. B2 functions defined over the set of non-negative real numbers. Find, question is here, find f plus j, here x, another one f of minus j, here x, next f j, here x, f by j, here x. Solution, here we have fx is equal to root x. Fx is root x. Gx is x. So we have to find out f plus j x. So here become fx plus gx. Fx is root x. Fx is root x. This is fx. Gx is x. So plus x. Now we have to find out f of minus gx. It means fx minus gx. Fx is root x. Gx is x. Then after f of j, x. It means fx into gx. So fx is x. Fx is root x and here x. It means here power is 1, here power 1 by 2. So on the same base power added 1 by 2 plus 1 become x raised to the power 3 by 2. Now f over j x equal to here fx over gx. So fx is root x and gx is x. So here root x and we can write x, root x into root x. So one root is here cancel, so 1 by root x. Where x is not equal to 0, non-negative real number. Okay, thank you.